Good day here, welcome back to the channel. Now we're gonna be going northbound on Washington Street, phase 2, part 1. But before we leave, let me show you where I am. So back there, that's Battery Park. As in the words of Metallica, Battle Rare. This is the corner of Washington Street and Battery Park. Now that you see where we are, we start the journey in a few minutes. Washington Street, Battery Place, Merchants Marines Veterans Place. Heading northbound, part 2, phase 1. We start the journey now. Check in the background, guys. You got the big behemoth. Again, guys, these are chunks, just like we did from the north to southbound. Now we're doing it from northbound to southbound. Excuse me. When we did it from north to southbound, now we're doing it from southbound to northbound. And on this side is the battery tunnel, this side. Check out the background, guys. Check out the background. Those tall buildings. Again, the crane. Betty Dudley, man. Betty Dudley. Check it out, guys. Another Tesla. You'll know the story behind it. And again, as soon as we go through the curb, it's gonna finish on Morris Street. We'll begin back there. Morris Street. Okay, guys, right here is where we finish. So if you see down there, all this, roll through there, that is Washington Street. Once we go beyond it, it becomes Morris Street. So guys, we come to the end of the video, and check it out. That is that. For some reason, I didn't see that, guys. It says Teddy Gleason Street. Fascinating. And again, that back there, that small place, according to Google, that's Wooey Place. So all of this, starting from here, all this back there, all this is a place. It's Wooey Place. So guys, we come to the end of part 2, phase 5. Phase 1. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Again, Washington Street, part 2. Excuse me. Phase 2, part 1, heading northbound. Bye.